So what do you reckon? Do you reckon we should start by cutting wood?
Don't know really. How do these things start? We've got to measure it out first.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking that maybe we'd go for 60 centimetres on the wood. So this is day one. The first little bits are getting started on the overhaul of my 1974 T2 VW camper van's interior. It's a lot of cutting, a lot of sanding, and a lot of just trying to get our ideas together. You see, we have a really strong vision of what we want the end product to actually look like. We know exactly what sort of style we're going for, but we have no idea on the execution. You see, we are completely inexperienced in all forms of carpentry. We've never really taken on a project like this before. So, really, we're just, at this point in time, we're learning on the job. I'm about to saw the first part of the camper van. I don't even know how to do this, because I'm going to have to cut down. I don't really know how you'd describe the style that we're going for with this thing. I guess shabby beach shack would probably be the best way to go. We're using recycled pallet slats for all of the wood. We're using recycled coffee bean sacks for all of the door cards, and all of the seats are being reupholstered with dust sheets, which is what painters and decorators use to protect your carpets. So everything that we're using in terms of materials is being repurposed, and that means that the interior of the camper van has a really unique feel. With that being said though, this is going to be a really long project, because after one full day of working we only managed to cover one side of the front bench. So we've got plenty more progress to make, but I can't wait to see what this thing looks like when it's finished, and I can't wait to take it out on plenty more trips. Look at me. That's the most awkward look I've ever seen in my life.